Elephants have a remarkably low incidence of cancer despite having many more cells than humans, which theoretically increases their risk. Several factors contribute to their cancer resistance, primarily involving genetic and cellular mechanisms. Here's a detailed explanation. Elephants possess 20 copies of the TP53 gene, often referred to as the guardian of the genome. In comparison, humans have only one copy. The TP53 gene produces the p53 protein, which plays a crucial role in detecting and repairing damaged DNA or initiating cell death, apoptosis, if the damage is irreparable. The multiple copies of the TP53 gene in elephants result in a heightened ability to detect DNA damage and initiate repair or cell death, preventing the accumulation of mutations that could lead to cancer. In addition, elephants have a unique gene called lely F6, which is a reactivated pseudogene, sometimes referred to as a zombie gene. This gene responds to DNA damage by triggering apoptosis, specifically in cells that might turn cancerous. This additional mechanism helps eliminate potential cancer cells before they can proliferate. The increased number of TP53 genes and the presence of the lely F6 gene contribute to a highly efficient apoptosis mechanism. This means that cells with damaged DNA are more likely to undergo programmed cell death, reducing the risk of cancerous growths. Additionally, elephant cells have an enhanced ability to respond to and repair DNA damage. This robust response mechanism reduces the likelihood of mutations accumulating and leading to cancer. The combination of multiple tumor suppressor genes and efficient cellular mechanisms enhances elephants' ability to suppress tumor formation. From the evolutionary perspective, over millions of years, elephants have evolved to live long lives and grow to large sizes. Natural selection likely favored genetic traits that protect against cancer, as cancer resistance would be beneficial for the survival and reproduction of these large, long-lived animals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get further interesting and useful content.